What's up guys, it's Luke's birthday. I don't know if it's today or yesterday or it's somewhere close, but I had a hat made up with the channel logo on there, so I'm gonna give that to him. The little birthday present thanks to the wife. She designed and did all this. And then we're gonna head out to a really high traffic public land spot. We're gonna do a little glassing today. Alright guys, so last time we went scouting we had a huge problem with ticks, and we've been kind of battling it all summer. We do every year. Finally did a whole bunch of research, figured out what can prevent. Today we're going to be using this premium insect repellent. It's Sawyer's permethrin, derived from the chrysanthemum, which I guess ticks don't like it. It's supposed to work. A lot of people have said that it works really well, so we're going to try it out today. Apparently you can put it on your pants and then let it dry, and it's supposed to work for a long time until you wash it basically. I'm going to go over real quick just what I bring with me. It's not a whole bunch, but like I said, the tick spray, the time when we had it really bad, we figured out, you know, basically a lint roller or a gray tape. You know, if you're really hairy, this kind of sucks, but to me, it's better than having a bunch of ticks on me. I'm really not that hairy of a dude, so gray tape works pretty well, but you can use a lint roller too if it works for you. If it's too painful or whatever, then I guess don't use it, but it works for me, it works for my son. So especially like kids who they don't have a bunch of hair, you know, it worked real good. Anyway, we bring some water, enough for me, enough for my son for several hours. It's hot out today. I've got a rangefinder just to kind of figure out different ranges, where things are at, kind of orient myself into my surroundings and where I'm going to be hunting. I've got some Vortex binos here. I like them. They work really well. You know, there's a lifetime warranty on them, so that's usually what I go with. I really liked them so far. Just got a bag to carry everything in. And that's pretty much it. And of course we'll have our camera equipment out there too, but you know, just keep it simple and keep it light. Did I cover everything? Yeah. Alright, let's get to it. So, there you go, man. Happy birthday. When is your birthday exactly?
Next Saturday.
Next Saturday, okay, so I'm a little early then. Alright.
Yeah. Thanks, bud.
Got some tracks. These are pretty well worn bedding area right there. A couple days. Man, they could be in this tall grass and you could be standing up and you wouldn't even see them. If I was a bird watcher, I'd be like ecstatic right now.
There's all kinds of good trees up along there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You tough? You the toughest kid alive?
No.
You sure?
No.
Who's tougher? See, you're the toughest kid alive. You can't think of nobody.
It's the one kid from the football. What is it? Football movie? Like
The Blind Side?
no, like a big Giants or something.
Oh, Little Giant?
Yeah, Little
That's
Giant.
a good movie.
That
Yeah.
one kid.
I
Classic.
might have to watch that this weekend.
Classic.
Kiddos.
Yeah.
Because he got down the creek bed and just kind of
Mosey this way. Just try not to spook.
cut back down around this way.
Yeah, because if he pops up, he could pop up. Get spooked by us.
Right here.
Yeah.
Probably right in our face.
You what?
I have to do it the hard way.
You had to do it the hard way?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, little beast. Little beast.
Ah,
Come on.
I get my leg stuck. Oh. Okay, I got it. Ah.
You alright?
Yeah.
You good?
Itchy.
Better check yourself for ticks, dude. Alright, man, you ready?
Yeah, do I have the duct tape in the back?
It's in the bag.